Shenzhen Solarcarry Technology Co Limited, located in Shenzhen, is a professional manufacturer of solar inverters and UPS, which are widely used in different applications like houses, schools, villas, industry, and agriculture uses. Solarcarry has been focusing on electronics and new energy for over 20 years. We have rich experienced R&D team for continuous development and improvement of products and professional service department. The autoproduction lines covers an area of 28,000 square meters with strong manufacturing capacity over 50,000 pieces per month. Our main products are solar hybrid inverters, off-grid inverters, and storage systems, which have been exported to Europe, Africa, Mid-East, Southeast Asia, etc. Up to now, we have got good feedbacks and complete satisfactions from our customers with low fault rate, fast response, high reliability, and continuous innovation. We have factory in India built in 2010 and plan to establish warehouses in South Africa and Netherlands in 2023 to ensure faster delivery and provide better after services. We can provide OEM, ODM services for solar inverters and make design for system solution. Our business philosophy insists that honesty is the base, customer matters most, and technology innovation continues. We promise to provide good quality products as well as best services to our customers. We are looking for distributors and agents globally. Welcome to inquire our products. We will try our best to meet your satisfaction and believe that it will be a win-win cooperation.
Hello friends, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce more about the Solarcarry. You must have watched the video of our producing procedures. You can see that we have our own factory and own R&D department. We have the ability to provide you more services based on good quality. Here, I'm presenting all my colleagues to invite you to visit our factories. And we believe that you will be more confident in us after you visit here. Thank you.